Setting up your team and workflows is essential for a smooth operation. In this quick guide, we will show you how to invite your team, create teams, and configure your working hours effectively, how to enhance your WhatsApp communication. Now, if you're ready, open your account and let's get started. First things first, inviting your team is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Go to Settings, Users and Groups, click on the Add a New User at the top of the page. Enter the email addresses of the team members you want to invite. Assign roles to each member, such as agent or admin. Click Add User to dispatch the invitations. Your team members will receive an email to join and start collaborating. By inviting your team, you ensure that all customers' inquiries on WhatsApp are addressed promptly, improving response times and customer satisfaction. Roles help manage permissions, ensuring that team members have the right access to handle WhatsApp communications effectively. This step is crucial for organizing your workflows. Here's how to set up teams. Go to the Teams section, navigate to Settings, Teams, create a new team. Click on the New Team to start creating a team. Enter a name for your team, like CX Team or Sales Team. Add members. Select team members from your list of users. Assign them to the team you just created. Set assignment rules. Choose an assignment strategy, such as round robin or least busy. Save your changes and finalize the team setup. Creating teams ensures that WhatsApp conversations are directed to the right people, enhancing efficiency and providing specialized support. Assignment rules help distribute workloads evenly, making sure no customer messages is left unattended. Finally, let's configure your working hours. This helps to manage availability and sets expectations for your customers. Follow these steps. Assess working hours settings. Go to Settings, Working Hours, define business hours. Specify the days and times your team is available. Customize after hours message. Create a message that will be sent to customers who contact you outside of business hours. Click Save Changes to apply your working hours and after-hours message settings. Setting working hours ensures that your customers know when they can expect a response on WhatsApp, improving transparency and trust. After-hours messages inform customers that their inquiries will be addressed as soon as possible, maintaining engagement even outside business hours. And there you have it. Setting up your team and workflows is easy and ensures your operations runs smoothly. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any questions, just add them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.